If you've got yellow discolored teeth, the cost of going to a dentist might have put you off getting them whitened. 'Cause you're looking at somewhere between $1,000 to $3,000. But you know what? Thousands of people have reported cases where they paid as much as $3,000, only to see no visible results whatsoever. But luckily, there is now a much better alternative. Click the link in the description box to know more. What we are covering today. 1. Ancient teeth whitening methods. 2. Chewing sugar-free gums for whiter teeth. 3. Reasons for using teeth whitening products. 1. Ancient teeth whitening methods. Our ancestors were also concerned about whiter teeth. They used different methods to achieve a shining smile. The ancient Egyptians around 4,000 years ago started the process of teeth whitening. They were very much concerned with appearing beautiful and wealthy. Thus they mixed wine vinegar with ground pumice stone in order to create a white paste which they applied to their teeth. The ancient Romans used urine as bleach to whiten their teeth. It was the ammonia in the urine that contributed to a bright smile. The Greeks of old times applied strange mixtures and chemicals to their teeth which they extracted from leaves. During the 17th century, people used to go to their barber to whiten their teeth. The barber filed the teeth and rubbed nitric acid to them. Unfortunately, this practice left people with a few or no teeth at all because they decayed. The Europeans of the Renaissance applied bleach to their teeth. They had whiter teeth for a limited period, but as time passed their enamel started to wear away, resulting in tooth decay. In the early 19th century, fluoride was discovered in order to maintain healthy teeth. On the other hand, an excessive use of fluoride caused teeth staining. 2. Chewing sugar-free gums for whiter teeth. Brushing your teeth after meals is the best way to prevent the food that you eat from staining your teeth. But it's not always possible to brush right after eating a meal, drinking coffee or having some wine with friends. If you eat out often and are concerned about your teeth getting stained by what you eat and drink, there is an alternative to brushing. Chewing sugar-free gum after eating or drinking has been proven to help prevent stains and keep your mouth healthy. Chewing sugar-free gum also stimulates the production of saliva in your mouth. That saliva will help rinse debris and plaque from your teeth. 3. Reasons for using teeth whitening products. By whitening your teeth, you eliminate stains caused by smoking, wine, coffee, cola, soda and other foods. Moreover, a bright smile helps you to stop smoking. This is because, when you see your shining teeth, you don't want to stain them with cigarettes. Studies have shown that white teeth can improve your relationships and you appeal more to the other sex. You are more noticed when you are choosing the right mate. Many people look for bright teeth when they are dating a partner. People of any age can invest in a shining smile without undergoing surgical procedures. Today there are cheap and safe alternatives that you can do. These over-the-counter remedies are harmless and risk-free and are easily managed by everyone, young and old. Moreover, bright teeth are not difficult to maintain. It's a proven system created by a former dental nurse called Teeth Whitening for You. It's 100% natural, completely safe, and can be used in the privacy of your own home. Not only is it affordable, but it also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description box below.